Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in. Now stop and locate the order immediately. Open the Orders tab and click the exact gig you wish to cancel so you can see details. This prevents mistakes. If the seller already delivered, make sure to review the delivery and messages first, because cancellation differs versus active orders. Once you confirm it's the right order, click the three-dot menu or More Options. You'll see Cancel Order or Request Cancel, which starts the official process. You must communicate. Message the seller clearly and calmly about why you want to cancel and propose a mutual cancellation to keep ratings intact. If the seller accepts, follow the on-screen mutual cancel prompts, confirm refund splits if any, then submit. Fiverr will process immediately. If the seller refuses, use the Resolution Center. Select Request Cancellation, attach screenshots, and explain the issue step by step. Make sure to keep copies of messages. They're evidence if Fiverr support needs to intervene. Finish by confirming the cancellation and watching for the refund in your wallet. Refunds often show within a few business days, but processing can vary. Once done, double-check the orders page to ensure status reads canceled and that no further deliveries are pending. If the refund is delayed or the seller disputes, open a support ticket, include message history and screenshots, and request escalation. This helps Fiverr review faster. Troubleshooting tip: escalate within 7 days if status stalls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.